So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this short Halloween nail design. So let's get right into it. Okay, so she came in with these nails. She had these done by someone else, and I went on to get the crystals off, clipping them off, and then I went in with my tornado bit to file the old acrylic. We were trying to keep these nails this long so we could do the design on this length, but as you can see, this pinky is so loose, it's broken, so I didn't recommend her to do these nails as long as they were, because as you can see, this nail is really damaged, and in a bit you can see all the other nails are also really damaged. So she didn't want to take all the nails off, so I recommended her to do a short set instead, because if she go in with this length and she bumps into something with one of these nails, she can risk losing her whole nail. So we went short. So at this point I didn't know yet that all the nails, or almost all the nails, were damaged, so I was filing everything down. But to make your life easier, if you know that you are going to do the nails shorter, you can shorten the nails before filing all the excess acrylic off. And I know you guys, I've been not posting lately, but it's just hectic having a beauty salon. It's just so much work. I'm tired every day, so that's why I did not post lately, but I'm trying my best to post now once a week at least for you guys, because you guys have told me that you've missed me. So I'm going to try my best to start posting every week now, so make you guys happy, okay? Okay, so here you can see that the index finger is also really damaged, so I've clipped off everything. I've clipped them off a little bit longer than I would like the normal length to be. Why? Because when you clip acrylic, it can chip and on a different direction that you would have like to shorten them anyways. So if you are going to clip off acrylic, just clip them off a little bit longer, so you can just make them the length that you want. So now I'm pushing back the cuticles, and that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. Maybe it looks like I'm pushing them rough, but it doesn't need, you don't want it to hurt your client. So so yeah, you don't want it to hurt your client. Now I'm getting all the dead skin off around the cuticle using my, I don't know how this bit is called, I think it's a spiral diamond bit or something from Anola. I will put everything that I've used in the description box below. So I'm getting the old skin around the cuticles off, and here you can see all the nails are damaged, really damaged. So yes, and now I'm cutting off the dead skin around the cuticle area. For two of the nails, I'm going to use our extra long C-curve square nail tips in the color natural. I'm going to use this on the pinky and the ring finger. And then I'm going to use our mini mandrel bit using our coarse sanding band. This is a, I think a 180 grit sanding band to get the natural shine from the natural nail where the nails were grown out. And now I'm going to do that on all the nails. Next, I'm using our coarse barrel bit, a diamond barrel bit. I will put it in the link in the description box, okay? To shape the nails. And I'm shaping, filing, shaping. And you guys, I really want to tell you guys that before this year ends, I am going to offer online classes that you can buy and watch it on your own time, and final the course and do your nails, and the drill. You guys have asked me this so much, and it's just difficult to plan it when I'm here in the Netherlands and some of you guys are in other parts of the world, which is a different time. So I'm just going to put it online so you guys can just buy it. Okay, I'm working really hard on it. So yes, finally. So I'm going to prep the nails with these nail preps combo. I've discovered on TikTok that the combo of the Mia Secret nail prep and dehydrator nail prep and the nail bonder, I think it is, that it's really great with another bonder, or the one from Young Nails, so you don't get any lifting. So I've thought I'm trying it with my primer and bonder, and also the two of the Mia Secret. So until now I didn't have any lifting, by the way, so it's a great alternative. I've also used before that, I've used our nail prep to disinfect and to clean the nail plate, then the dehydrator of Mia Secret, then the bonder of Mia Secret, and then my bonder, and then my primer. So yeah, so you don't have any lifting. So now I'm going to do the application using our I think this is a number 10 Kolinsky brush and our pinky. So next I'm using our coarse barrel bit with the diamond on top, again to file and shape the nails. I just like start shaping with out my e-file because it makes it just easier and faster to just perfect the shape with your hand file. So next I'm using our cuticle carbide bit to clean and seal the cuticle area. And now I'm using our hand files to perfect the shape, and you guys, these nail files are so cute. I'm so in love with these nail files, and I made them just a little thicker than normal because I just like nail files to be thick so they don't bend, because when they don't bend your shape is also more sharper. So yeah, I will also put these in the description box below. Next, I'm using our pink painting gel and our liner brush to paint a Frenchie on the pinky. And if you are still here watching, let me know by commenting a pumpkin in the description box below, so I know you are still here watching. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because only good stuff is coming. Yes, yes, yes. So next I'm going to draw a outline for the pumpkin on the ring finger. It's kind of a hearted shape, but you're going to fill it in, and it's also like only the top of the heart, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm just drawing that, and then I'm going to fill in the rest of the pumpkin. I'm using our orange painting gel, also with our liner, but I've mixed our orange painting gel with some white normal gel polish. On the index finger, I'm going in with the same color from the pumpkin, also for painting a French. On the middle finger, I'm going to cover the whole entire nail using this color is actually our pink painting gel mixed with white gel polish, and using our oval brush to apply the gel. And I'm using our liner to just perfect at the cuticle area. And then I'm going to just stripe to make it even. I'm going to apply a second layer though, so to make the coverage better. So that you know, I will apply a second coat. On the thumb, I'm going to do a drippy pinky drip. I'm going to make it drippy pinky drip, okay? Okay, so after curing the second layer on the middle finger, I'm going in with the pink painting gel and draw a line in the middle. And after that, I'm also drawing two lines on the sides in the orange that I've painted the pumpkin, and also the French on the index finger. Okay, so now I'm going in with our black painting gel. I'm going to outline the Frenchies and the pumpkin and draw the pumpkin face on the middle finger. You will see what I'm doing, just follow the steps. Oh, by the way, when you're going to do some outlines, just use only the tip of your liner so you can make thinner and you can be more precise, okay? And also some small little lines on the Frenchie to make it spooky. To make it a little bit spooky. Don't forget to flash cure your design, by the way, so you don't mess up anything, because it's not the easiest design. Or actually, it's not a difficult design, but it's a lot of detail. So flash cure in between, so you know that you will not smudge your design, okay? Okay, so on the top, I'm going to draw some little sparkles using a dotting tool, and only one of them I'm going to use the liner to make a little star. And when I'm done, I'm going to flash cure this again under my lamp, and then I will be applying our gel top coat to top off all the nails to make it shiny and clean, and then I will show you the end result. So you guys, this is the final result. I really hope you liked it. I've enjoyed doing this set so much. And unless the nails were really damaged, I've managed to do something pretty for her, but short, to make sure that she just doesn't damage them more than they are already. And let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Don't forget to like this video, comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.